how long can you hold your breath? 5 seconds? 30 seconds? Okay, let's say a whole minute. Not a big deal, right? But what if I say that Earth is going to lose its atmosphere for only 5 seconds? In this video, we will find out the reality and myths clearly. Now you might ask me, space, we can hold our breath for 5 seconds. But nah bro, within 5 seconds, your life will get so cooked that you could not even imagine. So my only request to you all is to watch the whole video because there is an important message for us at the end of the video. So sit back, relax, bring out your chips, popcorn because today's video is going to be high-key interesting. And before we start, do make sure to like, share and subscribe because your likes and shares encourages us to make more videos. So let's begin our journey. Earth spins quietly in space, wrapped in a thin shield of air that protects every breath, every sound, every life below. Millions of people breathing, moving, living, without ever noticing the air holding it all together. Everything seems normal. Suddenly, the atmosphere vanishes. Across the city, people freeze in shock. The blue sky collapses into darkness. Everyone started wondering what just happened. For a split second, nobody understood. But before a single answer formed, breathing stopped working. Everyone's chest tightened, your ears rang from the pressure, and panic spread faster than sound ever could. It felt like the city itself was suffocating. The city that never slept stood frozen, silent and helpless. But this is just the beginning. Without the atmosphere, raw sunlight slammed down like a cosmic spotlight. Ultraviolet rays hit everything exposed, burning surfaces and blasting the city with an invisible, unstoppable force. Your skin will burn because of the radiation, and almost everyone with sensitive skin will have skin cancer. This radiation couldn't affect us before because of our ozone layer protecting us from the raw radiation, acting like a sunscreen. In the sky, everything that was flying started falling. Airplanes need air to stay up, and suddenly there was no air. Their wings stopped working. Helicopters spun, but there was nothing to push against. Birds tried to flap, but the sky couldn't hold them anymore. For a moment, everything in the air just dropped back to Earth. Every fire on Earth will run out at the same time. Fire needs oxygen to burn, and the oxygen will also be gone. Flames will disappear instantly. Candles, engines, campfires, all dark. For 5 seconds, the planet will have no fire at all. The soil began to dry and break into dust. Without air, the water inside it escaped, and the ground became loose and fragile. Drinking water normally sits calm inside bottles and glasses, but the moment the air disappeared, the water began bubbling and boiling on its own. It wasn't hot, it was reacting to the sudden loss of pressure. Without air pressing down on it, liquid water can't stay stable, so it starts turning into vapor. For 5 seconds, Earth will be bare and exposed. No air will wrap around it, no blue sky will be above. Just a fragile planet spinning, alone in the blackness of space. But before anything could occur more, our 5 seconds was over already. But that does not mean the atmosphere will come back gently. When the air comes back, it won't be gentle. Strong winds will sweep across the cities. Dust and debris will rise into the sky, and storms will swirl wildly. Weak buildings may collapse, and anything left outside will be tossed around. The planet will be settling back into its normal rhythm. But the damage from those 5 seconds will remain. Everything outdoors will be coated in fine dust, and the city will look like it's covered in a blanket of chaos. Even after the air settles, the mess will take a long time to clear. From space, Earth will slowly regain its atmosphere. Clouds will reform, the blue sky will return, and the planet will look calm and whole again. Even after the air comes back, the damage won't disappear. Buildings will be broken, cars overturned, and streets covered in dust. Helicopters, planes, and birds that fell won't recover. Water will have turned into vapor, and soil will be dry and fragile. But hey, you're still here, breathing, you have atmosphere. So please be smart. In your life, make sure to plant 5 trees as a life goal, because even if our atmosphere doesn't vanishes, oxygen might end up brutally. Within just 5 seconds, our world faced the doom itself. And so that was it for today's video. I hope you'll enjoy today's video. I will meet with you guys in the next video. Till then, bye-bye, Space signing out.